Hello friends, today we are going to calculate work done by the Kolar which is falling through some given height. So according to the example data, we have given 5 meter long and 25 diameter vertical bar which is rigidly attached at with the Kolar. An unknown weight falls through 3.5 centimeter on it. It means that a unknown weight, for example as a P load, which is falling through 3.5 centimeter, or we can say that 35 with given height. If maximum instantaneous extension is 4.82 it means we have given extension as a 4.82. What is the stress as well as the value of unknown weight? So according to the given data, length of the Kolar is 5 meter. We have given L as a 5 meter. Now we have given a load of P which fall through a height, or we can say that H, which is equal to 3.5 in terms of centimeter, hence it is 35 So according to the given data, we have given a Kolar rigidly attached as shown in the figure, where total length is 5 meter and Kolar which is fall through H as a 3.5 centimeter, or we can say that 35 and we have given the diameter of vertical bar as a 25 So diameter is given as 25 hence the area which is equal to pi by 4 d square, which is equal to pi by 4 into 25 square. Hence our area is 490.63 in terms of square. Now next data is given as length of the bar. So length is given as 5 meter, which is 5000 and height of fall is given as 35 or we can say that 3.5 centimeter. Now we have given the maximum instantaneous extension as 4.82 It means we have given delta L value as a 4.82 So first of all, we know that stress is directly proportional to strain, or small e, where proportionality constant is capital E and small e can be written as delta L by L, and stress value can be calculated by this equation. Now putting all the values, capital E as a 2 into 10 raised to 5, delta L is given as 4.82 and small l is given as 5 meter, it means 5000 So our sigma value is 192.8 in terms of Newton per square. So the stress value according to the given data is 192.8 Newton per square. Now going ahead for the calculation of falling height weight. So for given connection, we know that work done through the Kolar must be equal to energy stored in the bar. Work done can be calculated by multiplication of force into height plus extension, and energy stored in the bar can be calculated by sigma square by 2E into volume, and volume can be written as area into length. So putting up all the values, we will have P as a unknown value, height is given as 35 plus del L value is given as 4.82, which is equal to sigma as a 192.8 all square divided by 2 into 10 raised to 5 as a E, area as a 490.63 and length is given as 5 meter or 5000 mm. So it is 5000 mm. Now solving this term, we will have 39.82 P, which is equal to 227.97 into 10 raised to 3 in terms of Newton. Hence, if we calculate the load in terms of kilonewton, we will have P value as 5.73 kilonewton. As a given extension as 4.82 mm, our load value is 5.73 kilonewton. Thank you.